Learning Chinese can be a rewarding experience that opens up new opportunities for communication and cultural understanding. As one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, mastering Chinese can greatly enhance your personal and professional life. Whether you are interested in traveling to China, conducting business with Chinese partners, or simply expanding your language skills, learning Chinese is a valuable investment in your future. Chinese, also known as Mandarin, is a complex language that is rich in history and tradition. It is characterized by its unique writing system, which consists of thousands of characters that represent words or ideas. While learning Chinese characters may seem daunting at first, with dedication and practice, you can gradually master this fascinating aspect of the language. In addition to its writing system, Chinese is also known for its tonal nature. Mandarin Chinese has 4 tones, each of which changes the meaning of a word. Mastering these tones is essential for clear communication in Chinese, as using the wrong tone can lead to misunderstandings. Practice and repetition are key to developing a good ear for tones and improving your spoken Chinese skills. Grammar in Chinese is relatively straightforward compared to many other languages, as it does not have verb conjugations or tenses. Instead, Chinese relies on context and word order to convey meaning. This can be a relief for language learners who struggle with complex grammar rules, as Chinese grammar is generally logical and intuitive once you understand the basics. One of the best ways to learn Chinese is through immersion. Surrounding yourself with the language through listening to Chinese music, watching Chinese movies, or speaking with native speakers can greatly accelerate your learning process. Practice speaking Chinese as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. Chinese speakers will appreciate your effort and willingness to learn their language. Another valuable resource for learning Chinese is formal language classes or courses. These can provide structured learning materials, guidance from experienced instructors, and opportunities to practice with classmates. Online courses and apps can also be useful tools for learning Chinese at your own pace and convenience. When learning Chinese characters, it is important to practice writing them regularly to improve your memory and recognition skills. Start with basic characters and gradually build your vocabulary as you become more comfortable with the writing system. Flashcards, mnemonic devices, and writing exercises can all be helpful in mastering Chinese characters. To improve your speaking and listening skills in Chinese, consider finding a language exchange partner or joining a conversation group. Practicing with others will help you gain confidence in using Chinese in real-life situations and improve your fluency over time. Additionally, listening to Chinese radio programs or podcasts can help you tune your ear to the sounds of the language and expand your vocabulary. Overall, learning Chinese requires patience, dedication, and perseverance. It is a challenging but rewarding journey that can open doors to new experiences and opportunities. By immersing yourself in the language, seeking out resources for structured learning, and practicing regularly, you can make significant progress in mastering Chinese. Embrace the beauty and complexity of the Chinese language, and enjoy the journey of discovering a new way of expressing yourself and connecting with others.